Hello, ladies and gents. Ro here, and welcome to Neuron Films. And today we're actually going to be looking at the new update for iMovie that was released today, January 23rd. And let me just open up iMovie, or actually the App Store for this case. And as you'll notice, if you go to your all the way at the top, you go to Apple symbol, you go to Software Update. It will take you straight to the updates or where iMovie, the new version of iMovie will be out. Or you could just go to the App Store, and you can also find the update there. And as you can see here, I already installed it January 23rd, 2014, which is today. And it's version 10.0.2. And they made a lot of changes. I've had a lot of questions, comments regarding the importing, exporting, crashing, things they couldn't select, couldn't access their adjustments, they couldn't access their titles. And so this update here helps most of those issues. And I'm hoping all of your guys' questions will be all resolved and answered and regarding within this update 10.0.2. Now, if you just there's a whole list here. I'm actually gonna quit the App Store, and I'm gonna open up the image I have of it. Kind of blurry, but I will also have the list of the things they fixed in the description below, where you guys will be able to actually see that entire list. But this is the main items here that they fixed, resolved. Like the common one that I've had was resolves issue couldn't cause sharing, resolves issues that could cause sharing to fail, which is that's one of the major issues that I've had, and a lot of you from the comments section, you guys have told me you guys have had the same problem. And another one was the resolves cases where crop can burn as a map features were not accessible on computers using certain languages. And that's another problem that I've had comments on. That I didn't know about the certain languages part, but I know some people weren't able to access them, like they were grayed out, they couldn't use them. So I'm hoping most of that is fixed for you guys in this update, after you get this update. And I do recommend you get this update because it will basically fix all your problems, except a few other ones that I still found that appear in iMovie, which is kind of disappointing. But here I are. I'm gonna open up the new version of iMovie. As you can see, it's 10.0.2. Go about not about this Mac. Let's go back. Let's go to iMovie, about iMovie, and as you can see, I'm running version 10.0.2. Now I'm exit out of that, and everything's the same. Nothing really major changed, but you can access. You should be able to access your titles, transitions, and share should be just as easy as before. But this time it shouldn't fail for you guys. And nothing major regarding the layout. Nothing that sort changed. And I did have a little bit difficult trouble. Like it would take a little bit longer to load for sometimes. But there's the share feature. But other than that, it's just, like I said already, nothing major in the layout, just a few bugs and glitches that were fixed. Now, another thing that I really noticed that really kind of annoys me is that the titles, if you notice, I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to go back to that title and click on it, double click on it. Now you see I can edit it, right? Go to adjustments, go to the text edit, and you can see you can change the font of this one. But then there's some text, like if you go to titles here, and you go, let's go to just a common one, like a reveal. That looks pretty cool. It comes out and reveals itself. I'm going to drag that right into my video here, make it 1 second, and I'm going to double click that, and now you can see that I can't actually adjust what font I want this one. I can't make it unbold, I can't make it a certain size, which kind of also disappoints me, which I was hoping they would actually make include that with the update, so we can actually adjust and change the color of this, besides it just being bland and just white. But at the same time, this is iMovie, and Final Cut, if you want something like where you can change everything, Final Cut Pro will actually do that. But for now, I'm just going to delete that, and that's basically it. That's all I wanted to cover in this video, is just show you guys a little bit, talk about a little bit about the update, and you guys let me know if it fixed some of your guys' problems, and if you have any other questions, let me know, and something that you were hoping it was going to fix that it didn't, just leave a comment section below. I'll be sure to. I like interacting with you guys, so just let me know. And other than that, I'm happy with the update. It's just the only thing is the titles. They could have made it so that we can actually change the fonts of that. But everything's running smoothly for me, and I hope everything's running smoothly for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this just update notice. Just update, not really a tutorial, because I just talked about the update. And other than that, more in the description. You can see the full update and full details as well. I'll have it in the description. And thank you guys for watching. And catch you guys next video. Later.
My life be the proof of you.